To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
In time him call me either something or something, you know. Something in a something, you know. Right now you even know. Yeah, me know about Georgia, man.
It only come from a far away, so.
Yo, I really you got rent car, bro.
Easy. Easy. I believe from me out.
No, no, so me not believe
from me out.
brother, but
And what? Man, you look on the good man. Come, look. Look na man, it's a plastic pan seat. Look good na man.
see it, man.
But look a piece of business, I tell you, I did what the man and tell me.
You mean, man, me have to fear na dog. You mean, I saw you think for set, of course.
So cash out sitting while I got my boy. Say free.
There.
Piece of business, I take and sit where the pan. So I circle your dog.
Yeah, man, what you say? Where we go? What you mean? Why not?
Why you elevate yourself, man? What you say?
Me think about it.
I don't think, man. I mean, there for support. You're not even worry about money in a seat there. You have me behind you still to push you.
That don't mean so I'm not worry about money. But it's just I want me want, what me love for. I want me find interest in that.
Mr. Hot still in my there, but you know.
What you talk about?
If I can just throw and 3 gun gas in a tank, my dog could go and port that well, catch you know. I shot gas gun.
Bad man, you know what I'm saying? I really like
You don't see him?
No, and I really that me have to say.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, see what that's.
Brother, listen now. You come from me yard, tell me say me I go on the road. Me ask you one question, and when you bingo?
What kind of question you can say?
A 2 week ago, you have dirty style. You tell me say me I go on the road, you tell me say me I go spend